It's been about 2 weeks since we moved our trailer out onto the hill, and we are set up for water. That's not a problem. We have a small battery that we're powering with solar. We're not connected to our major solar system. We don't have hot water outside. I guess I should say we have hot water inside with a very, very small sink. We don't have any hot water outside. So today's goal is to take this recycled water heater that was given to us by a friend, to take our solar hot water heater that we built a couple years ago. You can go back and look for that video, and get them working in tandem to provide hot water to a big sink, because we need to wash laundry and we need to wash dishes, and we have just the tiniest sink in the world to do that. Yeah. So that's the plan for today. I know I'm up to some challenges because I can't get some of this water heater to come apart. There's some really old fittings that are the incorrect fittings, so they're not threaded properly and they're really, really tight. So step one is going to be try to take apart what's already on there. You want to try lifting up on that?
This?
Yep.
Getting it.
It's actually turning, isn't it?
Yep.
There we go. Now I'm going to heat that up, okay? So move your wrench. When you come back to it, it's going to be pretty hot.
So I want to still take that nut off, right?
Yep, it might be hot, so don't touch the nut. Okay? All right, we got some of the fittings off. Now we're going to put a little bit of water in it and try the actual heater element. It runs off propane. It's already vented for propane, or I don't know what the word is exactly. It's set up for propane. We've got a bottle, we've got a kind of jimmy rig system to get it attached, and then I guess we'll just light the pilot. How much should we put in there?
I don't know.
A couple gallons, so when we turn the heater on, it doesn't burn the bottom. Vacation position, I wonder what that means. So we should be able to light it. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Turn it to pilot. And we'll have to hold that down to light it. Am I going to be able to reach in there? Maybe we have an aiming flame somewhere. It's too windy to light this thing. There we go. Hang on. It went out. Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
I think I need an aiming flame. Okay, move the camera. All right, I can't tell if it's actually coming out. I think this orifice is clogged because it's just been laying out in the dirt. I forgot to check it. It's just been out in the dirt. I can't get them apart. Sometimes when you can't get these apart, you can switch one of your wrenches. That's tightening. So I'm going to switch this wrench. And then you can squeeze it together, and that can help loosen it. There we go. See that? Oh yeah, look at that. There's gunk in there. So in that hole. Just any long, skinny piece will work. That one will do it, yep. Spider webs or just mud or what?
I don't know.
Spinning around in there. There's a lot of air in the line, so it might take a while to light it. Also, possibly doesn't work at all. I'm suspicious that this tube is clogged. Yeah, that's definitely coming out. Hey. Micah told me this is confusing, and it kind of is, but essentially I've got two systems here. A hot water heater, which can heat its own water, and then a solar collector, which heats the water that's in the solar collector. And then I've got a loop that's at the same pressure as the water heater. The idea is, and the hope is, that the hot water will produce a thermosiphon and continually work its way up into the hot water heater, drain out the bottom of the hot water heater, and come into the solar collector. If that works, then we never have to turn on the actual water heater. It just serves as a reservoir for the, wow, we're gonna blow away. It just serves as a reservoir for hot water. But if that isn't working or it's cloudy, the hot water heater will actually come on and heat with propane. That's broken right now, so I've got to get some new parts before that's working. I won't know if it's working probably till tomorrow. It's pretty late in the day to get any sun out here, but maybe, we'll see. I might just take the whole thing apart and put it back the way we used to have it, I don't know.